Hey everybody, it's game time, and today I'm going to open something I've never opened before. It is Clear Vision Basketball. I think it's 16-17, is that right? 4 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. I know there is no guaranteed auto, but I also know that I watched a couple of breaks of this, and oh yeah, 15-16. And saw somebody pull a Steph Curry autograph. I was like, oh my, really? It was crazy. So I thought, you know what? These are cheap enough. Let's take a chance and see if we can get an autograph right of here. Should be a quick little break. Not that much in here. Trying to decide if I like this box design, this big acetate box. I think I do. Something new and different anyway. Alright. There's our packs. Just as you like seeing my finger there? That was nice, wasn't it? Alright. Starting off with Andrew Wiggins. Andrew Wiggins. I'm probably going to need this. Filler so we can look at the cards. Chris Paul standouts. This is numbered 299. One problem I'm seeing, I don't know if you can see that some of the foil lettering is missing. It's kind of not good. Tobias Harris and Chris Paul again. So that's pack one. Alright, we're starting off with Kevin Love, TJ McConnell rookie, Kevin Garnett, and Robert Covington. Pack 3. That's Klay Thompson. Stuck together. Oubre Jr. rookie. Kyle Lowry. And Andre Drummond. Alright, pack 4. Bradley Beal. So we have a parallel here. DeMar DeRozan, blue to 149. Ricky Rubio. Derrick Rose. And DeAndre Jordan. Alright, last pack. If we're gonna get anything, it's gonna have to be now. Draymond Green. Isaiah Thomas Visionaries. So it looks like we did not get an auto. We have Russell Westbrook and Nerlens Noel. For what it cost, I mean, that's a good little. I like acetate cards. I think they're really cool. So I definitely just wanted to open one of these for sure and just see what they were like. If I can pick them up. I mean, you get a nice little stack there. If I don't drop them, because you know that's what I do. And did get a couple of numbered parallels, an insert or two. These, like I said, these boxes don't cost very much at all. So just a fun little break. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Take care of yourself. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll be back with my next break very, very soon.